Raindrops danced on the window, forming words that whispered secrets. Believe, they spelled, as a figure stared out, lost in thought. Each drop was a reminder of dreams once held close. You can, the rain insisted, as if urging action. A hand reached out, tracing the words, feeling their power. What if I fail? A voice questioned, echoing the fear within. But what if you fly? The rain replied encouragingly. Inspired, the figure stood tall, ready to embrace the unknown. The rain continued its symphony, a testament to resilience and hope. Like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories.